welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making Dabeli, which is a potato sandwich with an endless amount of flavor. From the spiced potato mixture, onions, chutney, and pomegranates, the flavors go on. It originally started in Kuch Gujarat and spread its way throughout India as a popular snack food. Chalo Dabeli Banaviye, Gujarati sentence meaning, let's go make Dabeli. Let's get into the ingredients. 4 boiled medium gold potatoes, 2.5 tablespoons of Dabeli masala, 1/4 cup cilantro, 1/2 cup of red onion, 1.5 teaspoons garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 cup roasted masala peanuts, 1 pomegranate, 1/2 cup of Chay Finely, which you can find these items at your local Indian grocery store. First, mix together the red onion and cilantro. Set it aside for later. Let's make the red chutney. You'll need 10 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Optional, if you are unable to find it, you can use 2 teaspoons of the red chili powder, 1/3 cup water. Blend till it's a sauce. Depending on how you would like your chutney thickness, that would depend on how much water to put in it. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan on medium heat. Add garlic paste, ginger paste, and mix in the pan as so. Next, add in Dabeli masala, which is going to take a couple of minutes to warm up so it can turn into a paste. Add smashed potatoes and mix in thoroughly by smashing the potatoes into the pan. Add salt. Give it one more good mixing. Now add potato mixture into a shallow bowl. Spread evenly. Add some roasted masala peanuts. Add some pomegranates. Add some shave. Add some cilantro. Use the back of a spoon to carefully push the toppings into the potato mixture so the toppings don't fall off when it's being put into the bun. I got these pav at a Indian bakery, however you can use a decent size roll or bun of your choosing. First slice open a bun from the corner and don't cut all the way through. Pat the inside down to make room for the stuffing. Add some of the homemade red chutney. Next, take a small amount of the potato mixture and carefully put it in the bottom of the bun. Now add some roasted masala peanuts. Add onion cilantro mixture. Add some more potato mixture. Add roasted masala peanuts and onion cilantro mixture. And repeat. Now bun is filled. Add some pomegranates to the sides and dip the potato sides into shave. Look how colorful that is. I will show you how to stuff the dabeli one more time. It's time to toast the dabeli. So on medium heat, add in some butter, and place the dabeli in the pan. Toasting it on all sides. Let's plate this colorful dish. I'm adding green chutney for the side sauce, or you can use ketchup, whichever you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this video. This dish is one of a kind, flavor explosion in your mouth, leaving you wanting more. Give this dish a try and let me know in the comments below. Or let me know on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.